Floydio, you protecting the stone? Okay, so I've spread out the stone for the puzzle, and I found the center point for the first rock. We'll put the chiminea in the center, and all the mesh is laid down. Ready? Ha! Perfect. So using a string line going from each end, I'm just relatively leveling them off. Check out, this one needs about 1/4 inch everywhere. The mesh that I've put down helps prevent some of the heaving that would take place with freeze and thaw. And it allows me to walk on and slide them around, which really is helpful because you have to be able to walk on it and you have to be able to slide them around. So I look for a relatively level fit. It doesn't have to be perfect. Make sure there's no rocking of pieces, and then I'm just going to sprinkle in a bit to help hold it in place, and then I'll water it later, and that helps bring any of this crushed stone powder under, fill in any gaps. So in many of the stones you can still see sea life and the sedimentary layers. So there's plants and fossils throughout, especially these ones. You can actually see the sand structure as though it's fresh sand blown by wind, and amazing that it fossilizes, that it freezes like that. So I'm taking the stones that are all in place, but they're different levels. Some of them are a bit bent. I observe the bottom, I observe the underside. Let me see, get this up. And for instance, there's a big bow here, so I've got to build up the edges. This is already a firm 5-inch tamped substrate. Getting rid of any seeds that have blown in. Some poplar seeds blew in while I was building it. So I'm going to shape it a little bit, but only with about 1 inch or less. So it's not going to shift much. So now they will be set pretty close. I'll probably have to revisit some of them in a few months' time after many rains, just to see if things have settled a little bit more. But it's really, really quite interesting to see the fossils and the variety of stone.